Welcome back, guys. The ignition coils have arrived, so we're going to get these fitted. We've gone for 4 coils instead of just the one that were broken. We're going to ditch the OEM and we've gone with RM STATOR, which from my research are better and are cheaper, so it's a win-win all around. Get a bit of dielectrical grease around them, seal them up, get them fitted, get the essentials back on, see if we've cured the problem. So you don't want to get mad with the grease, just a little bit on a cotton swab, just smear it around the sealing surfaces. And this will prevent any moisture getting in there and causing the same issue that we've currently got. A little bit on there as well, get it all sealed. That's the 4 coils in, so the next job is to get the bottom half of the airbox in, get the air ducts fitted, and then we can put the filter on, the fuel tank on, and see if she's cured, which hopefully she will be. So on the bottom of the airbox you've got 2 parts, you've got one here, one here. So one is the vent pipe, and one is for the secondary air valve. And then we've got one electrical connector which we need to screw onto the bottom, which is an absolute pain. So once you've got the bottom of the airbox on, next is your velocity stacks, which hold it all down. So we've got the bottom of the airbox and velocity stacks in. Next up are the intake ducts, which are the whole reason the side fairings have to come off to do this job, which is rather annoying. These slot into the side of the airbox, and you can't get the airbox off without taking these off. Next up is the air filter, which we're using a K&N high flow filter. Washable, reusable, lifetime warranty. Why wouldn't you? Two screws clamp this down. And we can flip over the top of the airbox. Make sure it's located into place properly. Strap any wires. Then we've got a few screws around the perimeter of the box. Now we've just got the 6 electrical connectors to reconnect on top of the airbox for the ECU and whatever else it may be. Now we can put the heat shield back on, which will protect it from the fuel tank from the heat of the engine, stop fuel vaporising. And next up is the fuel tank. So what I like to do is get the back 2 bolts in first, and then you can use those to hinge the tank. Get underneath, 2 electrical connectors and 1 fuel pipe. Security cap over the quick release fuel line. Then we'll get the 2 front bolts in. Sort out a bit of trim out. you will have to push the tank around to get these lined up. Right, now everything else is purely cosmetic. So let's clear the DTCs and see what happens. So we're just scanning the DTC. Obviously we've got the stored and current faults on the ignition coil primary circuit. So let's clear DTC. Successfully cleared. Start her up, see what she says.